हमारे जो जजेस हैं तो वो हैं देवेंद्र मेहर सर और चित्रांग ज्वाला सर। दोनों का मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। और चलते हैं हम लोग अपने जूनियर ग्रुप की तरफ। जूनियर ग्रुप में हमारे जो पहले प्रतिभागी हैं वो हैं लक्षिता गुर्जर। लक्षिता, रेडी ना बेटा? ओके बेटा, स्टार्ट करो।
My name is Lakshita. My project title is very promising. First diameter. What is diameter? Is a line which divides a circle into two equal halves. This is diameter. And next, radius. What is radius? Radius is also a line but half of a diameter. This is radius. And this is also a radius. And this line is called arc. This is minor arc and this is major arc. And the area between two radius is called segment. Next, there are many chords. Chords are those lines. Their ending and starting both points lies on the circular arc. And diameter is also a chord. The largest chord is diameter. The area between the chord is called sector. Next is angle, the straight angle. This is an straight angle. 180-degree angle is called an straight angle. Next, right angle. Right angle is 90-degree angle. It's called right angle. This is right angle. What is acute angle? Acute angle is less than right angle. This is acute angle. This is also an acute angle. Now, obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is greater than right angle but less than an straight angle. This is an obtuse angle. And reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than an straight angle, means 180-degree angle but less than 360-degree angle. This is an reflex angle. Thank you.
मैम 7th क्लास की हो गई क्या?
थैंक यू लक्षिता। लक्षिता सर आपसे ओके ओके।
Lakshita, can you hear me? Lakshita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have explained nicely about circles and its parts, that is about chords and angles. Now I will ask one question. What is the angle formed by the largest chord in the circle? What is the angle formed by the largest chord in the circle?
Diameter. 180-degree angle.
No, largest chord on the circle. Angle formed by largest chord on the circle.
Diameter.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem.
थैंक यू लक्षिता, थैंक यू। अभी हमारे
मैम 7th क्लास की हो गई क्या?
नहीं, अभी कहाँ बेटा, चल रहा है ना। ओके, नेक्स्ट हमारे प्रतिभागी हैं यशवी महेश्वरी। यशवी।
यस मैम। मैम am I audible and visible?
ऑडिबल विजिबल।
हाँ, ऑडिबल है बेटा, विजिबल भी है।
ओके मैम। मैं शुरू करूँ?
आप शुरू करो।
Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, headmistress madam, teachers, judges, seniors, and dear friends. I am Yashvi Maheshwari, student of class 6A. Today, I am going to present a project. The title of my project is Secrets of Circle. A circle is a two-dimensional round figure. We all know the circumference and area of a circle. They are 2 pi r and pi r square respectively. But how do they come? What is pi? Let's see. I have 3 circles of radius 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. measuring the circumference of the circle with the thread. It is approximately 18.9 centimeter. Similarly, these circles have these circumferences. Circumference upon diameter is equal to 3.14, which is a constant value and it is known as pi. Circumference is equal to diameter into 3.14, which is equal to 2 pi r. Now, let's learn about space occupied by a circle. I have a beautiful circle. Now, this beautiful circle is divided into 8 equal parts. These 8 equal parts are arranged in a shape called parallelogram. The area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. The base is made of 4 parts of the circle, which is pi r. And height is made of radius of the circle, which is r. So, the area of parallelogram is equal to pi r into r, which is equal to pi r square. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and have a nice day.
यशवी तुमने जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है ना उसके विषय में थोड़ा रिविजन करना चाहेंगे आपसे?
Yashvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have explained about circle and the term pi. Can you tell me what is the exact value of pi? Can you tell me?
Sir, it is 3.14.
Is 3.14 exact value of pi? Is it correct?
No, sir.
Then what is exact value of pi?
Sir, it is an irrational value.
Okay, very good, very good. 3.14 is just the approximate value and
Yes,
exact
sir.
value is 3.14 and many more terms. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you यशवी.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next है हमारे ख्याति गोयल. ख्याति.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बेटा, start करो.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Good morning. Myself Pratigul from class 6. And today I'm going to perform a maths project on Vedic maths. So what is Vedic maths? Vedic maths is India's gift to the world like yoga and Ayurveda. Vedic maths, by learning Vedic maths, you will be able to calculate much faster as compared to the traditional system, which will not only make maths an enjoyable experience, but it will also make a remarkable difference to your confidence and self-esteem. Who is the founder of Vedic maths? Vedic maths was discovered by Jagat Guru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. What operations you can perform with this? You can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square finding, and many more things with Vedic maths. How is this better than paper math? Paper math needs paper and pen and it consumes more time. But Vedic maths needs nothing and it consumes very less time. Mind development. Every person has right brain and left brain. Right brain is the creative side and left brain is the logical side. Vedic maths makes your both minds to work, both sides to work. Now, multiplication by 11. Let us see some mathematical tricks. 23 multiplied by 11. So, the tens place of the number will be the hundredth place of the answer and ones place of the number will be the ones place of the answer. And the tens place will be the sum of these two digits. So, it will be 2 and 5, 3. 5 comes because the sum of 2 and 3 is 5. Therefore, our answer is 2, 5, 3. Now, let us see multiplication by 5, 25 and 125. So, what is 14 multiplied by 5? So, you have to divide the number by 2, then multiply the answer by 10. Here, 14 divided by 2 is 7, then 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. Therefore, the answer is 70. Did you guess what we have done in this? See, we have done multiply by 10, then divided by 2, which is multiply by 5. Yeah. Now, let us see multiply by 25. So, 32 multiplied by 25. For this, divide the number by 4, then multiply the answer by 100. So, 32 divided by 4 is 8. and 8 multiplied by 100 is 800. Therefore, the answer is 800. Yes, you are right. Same trick is applicable for here, which is multiply by 100 and divided by 4, which is multiply by 25. There. 72 multiplied by 125. For this, divide the answer by 8, then multiply the answer by 1,000.
Thank you.
Ma'am, just a little bit. 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now 9 multiplied by 1,000 is 9,000. So we have done the equation upon 8 multiplied by 125. Thank you. I hope you would use this trick.
Thank you, Khyati. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Very good, beta. Next है कृतिका. कृतिका.
Ma'am, am I visible and audible?
हाँ, audible और visible दोनों ही हो. चलो शुरू करो कृतिका.
Is there any question?
Respected teacher, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Kritika Jain. I am from class 6B, roll number 60208. Today, I will demonstrate the different angles made by the clock during the day. So let's start. An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. The two rays forming the angle are called the arms or the sides of the angle. The common initial point is known as the vertex of the angle. Unit of measuring an angle is degree. The measure of an angle is the measure of rotation. When the minute hand of the clock rotates a complete round, the angle measured is 360 degree. The clock is divided into 12 equal parts. Each part contains 30 degrees. So now, let's see the angles formed by the clock during the day. When minute hand of the clock starts at 12 and moves 3, it makes a quarter of rotation and covers an angle of magnitude 90 degrees. This angle is called right angle. When minute hand and hour hand of the clock are opposite to each other, or we can say in a straight line, the angle formed is called a straight angle. The measure of straight angle is magnitude 180 degrees. When minute hand of the clock rotates a full round, it covers 360 degrees, and this angle is known as a complete angle. When minute hand of the clock starts at 12 and rotates less than 90 degrees, the angle between that is called an acute angle. When minute hand of the clock starts at 12 and makes a rotation more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, it is called an obtuse angle. Means obtuse angle lies between a right angle and a straight angle. When minute hand of the clock makes an angle more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, it is called a reflex angle. Thank you.
Thank you, कृतिका. कृतिका, आपके जो आपने जो बनाया प्रोजेक्ट.
Okay, Kritika, your
Yes, sir.
figures are very nice. That means the drawings are very nice. Okay. Now tell me, what is the angle of rotation of the hour hand in 24 hours? Can you tell me what is the
Sir,
angle of
can you
rotation?
please repeat?
What is the angle of rotation of the hour hand in the clock in 24 hours?
Sir, वो होगा So 720 degrees.
Okay, very good.
थैंक यू कृतिका, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट हमारे प्रतिभागी हैं रयान, एसएम रयान।
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा।
Today, my name is Sam Rayan. I am studying in class 6B. Today, my math project is algebraic equations in daily life. So I will present it.
ओके बेटा, शुरू करो।
Yes, ma'am. In this project, I will define algebraic equation. I will define simple linear equation, and I will explain the use of linear equation in daily life. What is algebraic equation? A algebraic equation is defined as mathematical statement in which two expression is equal to each other. Algebraic equation consist of variables, constant, and coefficient. Example: y is equal to mx plus c. It is simple linear equation where m is coefficient and c is constant. Example 2: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation because it has power of 2. Linear equation. A linear equation is an equation between two variables which gives a straight line when plotted on a graph. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here in blue line equation is y is equal to minus x plus 5, and red line y is equal to 1 by 2x plus 2. Application of linear equation in daily life. Actually, we use linear equation in our daily life without realizing it. We just do calculation in our brain without drawing a graph. Linear equation is used by businessmen, scientists, and students. Example: linear equation in one variable. Example is Ram's father bring 50 chocolates from market. His sister took away 20 chocolates. How much chocolate will Ram got? Let assume Ram gets X chocolate. Applying concept of linear equation, we get x plus 20 is equal to 50. Solving x equal to 30. Example 2: linear equation in two variable. A family is going to a trip on vacation and wished to hire taxi. Taxi driver quotes rates at 500 as a fixed charge plus 10 rupees per kilometer as a variable charge. Based on information, linear equation can be formulated to get the fare to be paid without knowing the distance to be traveled to reach. Let's y total fare. X is equal to total distance traveled. So linear equation is y is equal to 10x plus 500. If a family travels to Jaipur 250 kilometer and Udaipur 150 kilometer, we can easily calculate fare to be paid. Jaipur fare is equal to 10 into 300 plus 50, so equal to 3,500. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट हमारे प्रतिभागी हैं निहितार्थ।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा।
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
हाँ, ऑडिबल। स्टार्ट करो।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neetat Singh. I am from class 6B and my roll number is 60234. Today I am going to explain you my project called divisibility rule. So first of divisibility rule is about 2. When the last unit digit is even number like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. Next is divisibility rule by 3. Sum of all digits, then it is divisible by 3. Like 432. We get add them up, we get 9. So 432 is divisible by 3. And next is divisibility rule by 4 is when the last two digits are divisible by 4, therefore it is divisible by 4 also. For example, 624, 24 is divisible by 4, therefore 624 is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility rule by 5 is if the last digit is 0 or 5, therefore it is divisible by 5. Like 510 and 625, these two numbers are divisible by 5. Next is divisibility rule by 6 is when the number is divisible by 2 and 3, and therefore it is divisible by 6. Like 624, it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3 also. Hence, this is divisible by 6 also. And divisibility rule by 7 is when we double the last unit digits and we subtract it with the rest of the digits and ends in 0 and 7, therefore it is divisible by 7. And divisibility rule by 8 is when the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, therefore it is divisible by 8 also. For example, 1816, 816 is divisible by 8, therefore 1816 is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule by 9 is the same rule of 3 and sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Like example, 693, we get item of, it is 18. 18 is divisible by 9, therefore 693 is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule by 10 is when the last unit digit is 0, therefore it is divisible by 10. Like 1230, it ends with 0, hence 1230 is divisible by 10. And divisibility rule by 11 is when we add the even and odd places and then we subtract two of them and ends in 0 and 11, therefore it is divisible by 11. And about benefit is when we do long divisions in mathematics problems, when we can use this divisibility rules to find easy way solutions to do in mathematics problems. Thank you.
थैंक यू निहितार्थ.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू बेटा. अभी निहितार्थ के बाद अभी हम 7th क्लास का शुरू करेंगे. ओके, 7th क्लास में जो हमारे पहले प्रतिभागी हैं वो हैं अनन्या कश्यप.
Yes, ma'am.
अनन्या.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके अनन्या, स्टार्ट करो बेटा.
Ma'am, I'm audible to you.
हाँ ऑडिबल बेटा.
Ma'am, camera clear.
हाँ
Ma'am,
बेटा स्टार्ट करो.
good afternoon. I am from class 7th A. Today I am showing you the working order of LCM and HCM. So first we start with LCM. So I am taking the LCM of 2 and 3. So first I am taking multiples of 2. I am putting this marble in this cup according to this number. So I am putting it 2.
मैम का गोचर का नहीं आया 6 बी का
12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22 and 24. Now I am taking the multiples of 3. So I am putting in 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Now we see which cups have 2 marbles. So there are 2 marbles in 6, 12 and 18 and 24. Now we those are. Now we find LCM. So the form of least common factor. So the least common factor. So our answer is 6. Now we take LCM. So I am taking LCM of 32 and 20. First I put out the marbles.
मैम वंशी का गोचर 6 बी का नहीं हुआ
4. So the factors of 24 is 1,
वंशिका अपना माइक ऑफ करो, बाद में देखते हैं.
4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. Now I am taking 32. So the factors of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, etc. Now we see which cups have 2 marbles. So there are 2 marbles in 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these are common factors. Now we find LCM. So the form of LCM is highest common factor. So the highest common factor is 8. So our answer is 8. So this way that we easily find the LCM and HCF from this model. Thank you.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू अनन्या. अभी अनन्या के बाद एक वंशिका गोचर, उनकी एंट्री नहीं है, लेकिन वंशिका अगर तुमने बना लिया है बेटा तो आप अपना प्रोजेक्ट जो है दिखा सकते हैं। रेडी हो ना आप? ओके बेटा, आप
यस मैम।
ओके बेटा, स्टार्ट करो आप। 6th क्लास की ना वंशिका? ओके वंशिका, स्टार्ट करो बेटा अपना माइक और हाँ ओके।
My name is Manchika Gochar from class 6B. Roll number 6021. My next project is types of angle. Types of angle. Acute angle less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degree मतलब 90 डिग्री से कम, तो 140 डिग्री या 160, 170, and right angle 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree and obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा और 180 डिग्री से कम या 140 डिग्री। तो स्ट्रेट एंगल 180 डिग्री। Straight angle 180 degree. Left angle greater than 180 degree. 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा ये होता है 180 डिग्री से ज्यादा 220 डिग्री। फुल एंगल acute full angle 360 degree. Full angle is 360 degree. So this is the types of angle. Thank you.
ओके, थैंक यू वंशिका, थैंक यू बेटा। अभी हमारे नेक्स्ट प्रतिभागी हैं मनस्वी। मनस्वी,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I start?
ओके स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
My name is Manasvi Singh from class 7B, roll number 70113. Ma'am, today I'm going to present the value of pi. Pi, this is the pi symbol. Value of pi is 22 by 7 in fraction and 3.14 in decimal as a standard. Ma'am, this is the circle. This is the circumference. This is the diameter and this is the center. The meaning of pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. Now, I'm going to tell you the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Let's see. So I have this circle which has one center. Now I'm going to take a thread and round it around the circle. Now I'm going to mark the end. Now when we measure this, we are going to do 3. Means 1, 2 and 3. Now you can see this is 0.14 length. So the value of pi by this is represented as standard 3.14. Now I'm going to take another circle. This is bigger than this. And again round around the circle. I'm going to mark till here.
This is 1 diameter, 2 diameter, and 3. Now, ma'am, again you can see this 0.14 is left. So, by this, we can find that the standard value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Thank you.
थैंक यू मनस्वी, थैंक यू बेटा। नेक्स्ट है हमारे अगले प्रतिभागी हैं श्रेजा पारिक। श्रेजा।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके श्रेजा, स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to one and all. It is Miss Teja Balan of class 7. Today, Miss Teja Balan is going to demonstrate you circle's area and its perimeter. So, the formula of the perimeter is 2 pi r. So, here pi stands for 3.14 centimeter. So, but it is just in my finite. So, I don't have written it in very large term. In fraction, it is 22/7. So, 2 into 3.14 into 10 is 3.14 into 10 is equal to 31.4, and 31.4 into 2 is equal to 62.8. This is by formula. Without formula, I have taken here 10 centimeter radius circle and covered this with the help of this thread. Now I'm going to measure it. This measure also came 62.8 centimeters. So like this, I have taken its perimeter. Now I'm going to take its area. The formula of area is pi r square. So pi r square means 3.14 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is equal to 100, and 3.14 into 100 is equal to 340 centimeters square. So now for non-formula, I have taken here again this circle and cutting this circle into 8 different pieces. I have arranged them into parallelogram shape. This is the parallelogram shape. This is the parallelogram shape. This white color refer for half of this triangle, and this red color refer to this half of this triangle. So the length of this parallelogram must be its radius, that is 10 centimeter, and its base must be half of its circumference, and the circumference is 62.8. So pi r is equal to the base. So pi r is equal to 62.8 divided by 2 is equal to 31.4 is equal to our base. 31.4 into 10 is equal to 314 centimeters square. So by this two methods, formula and non-formula, I have taken here area and perimeter. Thank you and have a nice day.
थैंक यू श्रेजा, थैंक यू बेटा।
नेक्स्ट
अभी हमारे जो अगले प्रतिभागी हैं वो हैं श्रेया पारिक। श्रेया।
Yes, 1 minute.
ओके श्रेया, स्टार्ट करो बेटा। श्रेया। श्रेया कहाँ गई? श्रेया तो दिख ही नहीं रही है। श्रेया।
यस यस सिस्टर आ गई
मैम मैं दूसरी डिवाइस से ज्वाइन हो रही हूँ, 1 मिनट।
ओके श्रेया, श्रेया स्टार्ट करो बेटा। श्रेया का
Good morning to one and all. Good morning to one and all. Myself, I study in class 7. Today I'm going to tell you these shapes. As you can see, this is line, this is triangle, this is square, this is pentagon, this is hexagon, this is a heptagon, this is octagon, and this is nanogon. And my project's title is Maths is English. So as you can see, there is many shapes, and there are how many lines? But I'm going to tell you by a trick. Its formula is n minus 2. So let me tell you. This is a line. So you have done it 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So it's only one line segment. So let me see with this triangle. This they have 2 dots and line segment 3. So 3 into 3 minus 1 divided by 2 is 3. So we can tell it that how many line segments is in this shapes with how many dots. That is there are 4 dots in it and there are line segment 6. So let me check how it is. 4 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6. As you can see, there are 6 lines.
Now this is pentagon shape. So there are 5 dots and line segments 10. Let me tell you how. There is 5 into 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So this is 10. So let me take this hexagon. Dot. How many dots? There are 6, as you can see. So line segment of 15. How? 6 into 6 minus 1 is equal to 50. So by this we can know how many dots. If there is 9 dots, as I have done here, 36 line segment. How many? Because 9 divided by 1 is equal to 36. And here is the formula. N minus 1 is equal to 2. Thank you and have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank
you
you.
and have a nice day, ma'am.
हाँ, थैंक यू श्रेया. नेक्स्ट हमारे अगले प्रतिभागी जो हैं वो हैं अक्षिता श्रीवास्तव. अक्षिता.
Shall I start?
कोई बात नहीं, डबल नहीं.
Ma'am, shall I start?
अक्षिता, ओके, स्टार्ट करो बेटा. अक्षिता स्टार्ट करो.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Srivastav, class 7B, roll number 70201. The title of my project is Magic of Numbers, in which I am going to explain how to find day of any day. So let's start. So for example, if I take here today's date, that is 15 September 2021. To find the day, on the below, on the first box, we will write 15 because we are finding the date of 15 September. On the second one, we will write according to the month code. So this is the month code, and according to September month, we will write here 6. On the third box, we will write according to the century code. So according to 2021, we will write here 6. On the fourth one, we will write the year, that is 21. And on the fifth one, we will write that how many leap year will come in 2021. To find out, we will divide 21 by 4. The answer will be 5. So I have written here 5. Now we will add these numbers. The answer will be 53. Now we will divide 53 by 7 because there are 7 days in a week. The quotient will be 47 and the remainder will be 4. We will use the remainder to find the day. We will use day code to find. Now, as the remainder is 4, and according to day code, 4 is Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. Now, we will find previous days also. So to find out, I will take here 14 January 2021. Now, we will write 14 because we are finding date of 14. According to January month, we will write here 1. According to century code, according to 2021, we will write here 6. And we will write here that is 21. And on the last one, we will write how many leap years will come. So answer also will. I will write here 5. I will add these. Now, 1 plus 6 plus 5, that will be 12. So I write here 12 directly at 25. So the answer will be the addition will be 47. Now I will divide 47 by 7. The quotient will be 6 and the remainder will be 5. So according to the day code, 5 is Thursday and that day was Thursday. Now we can find future dates also. So to find out, then I will take here for example 25 December 2021. Now I will write here 25 as usual, and the second one according to the December month, I will
थैंक यू. हमारे अगले जो प्रतिभागी हैं वो है हितिका.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, स्टार्ट करो.
Ma'am, I am trying from another ID, so please join it.
बेटा कैमरा ऑन करो ना अपना. क्या हो गया?
Ma'am, I am joining with another ID, so please join me.
ठीक है.
ओके बेटा. नेक्स्ट है हमारे लक्ष्य गोचर. लक्ष्य
Yes, ma'am.
7th क्लास में लक्ष्य गोचर, 8th में बेटा 8th में लक्ष्य गोचर।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा स्टार्ट करो।
Yes, ma'am. Hello, I am Lakshya Gupta. I study in class 8th and today I have made a project on finding angles, measurement in polygons. So, as we all know, the sum of interior angles for polygons are in hexagon 720 degree. So, in angle A and angle D, there will be 130 degree and angle B, C, E, F will be of 115 degree. So, let's see. Yes, these all are of, yes, these are correct. So, we can add them all to find. But here I have a formula n minus 2 into 180 degree in which n is equals to 6 because hexagon has 6 sides. So 4 into 180 degree is equals to 720 degree. You can add it also. Now we can take many examples such as quadrilateral, like square and etc. Now we will try in exterior angle. So exterior angle, the sum of exterior angle in polygons are 360 degree. So let's see. So in this, angle A will be of 80 degree and angle B, C, E and F will be of 65 degree. Yes, this is correct. Yes, this is correct. So ML1 plus ML2 plus ML3 plus ML4 plus ML5 is equals to 360 degree. So 80 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 plus 70 is equals to 360 degree. You can add it yourself also. Now we can take the example of hexagon also. So let's make a hexagon. So in this, let's see its exterior angle. So its exterior angle will be of 50 and 50. 65, 65, 65. So you can do it yourself. Thank you.
मैम
हाँ
मैम ये हितिका का प्रोजेक्ट रेडी है मैम, बस हम लोग आपको ज्वाइन के लिए आपके लिए ज्वाइन किया है मैम, आप उसको अलाउ कर दो, दूसरे अकाउंट से ज्वाइन किया उसको आप अलाउ कर दो।
ओके ओके ओके। अभी अगले हमारे अगले प्रतिभागी हैं हमारे विधान।
Yes, sister.
विधान।
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
ओके बेटा स्टार्ट करो।
Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Vedhanjan and I study in class 8B and my roll number is 80229. The topic of my project is verification of algebraic identity. The identity which I am going to verify is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. For this, I have cut a red square with side a is equal to 10 centimeter, a blue square with side b is equal to 7 centimeter, a yellow rectangle with length a is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth b is equal to 7 centimeter, a green rectangle with length b is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth a is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we will find the area of these squares and rectangles one by one. The area of red square will be a into a, which is a square. The area of blue square will be b into b square. The area of yellow rectangle will be a into b, ab, and the area of green rectangle will be b into a, ba. From this, we will find the total area of all these squares and rectangles, which will be the area of red square plus area of blue square plus area of yellow rectangle plus area of green rectangle, which will be a square plus b square plus ab plus ba, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will mark this as 1. Now I will arrange these cutouts. Now I have arranged these cutouts and we will find the area of this figure. The length of this figure will be a plus b and the breadth will be also a plus b, which gives us that this is a square. And the area of this will be a plus b into a plus b, which is a plus b whole square. From this, it is verified that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Thank you.
थैंक यू विधान, थैंक यू बेटा। अभी हमारे अगले प्रतिभागी हैं दीपश्री डूंगरवाल। दीपश्री,
Yes, ma'am.
करो, स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
Good morning. My name is Deeksha. I study in class 8B, and today I have participated in school level the maths exhibition. My topic is squares. The square of a number is the power 2 of that number. We can get a square by multiplying a number by itself, like 4 into 4 is equal to 60. Let's see some methods to find squares. One of them is sum of odd numbers. Like when we sum first two odd numbers, it will be 1 plus 3, 4, which is the square of 2 square. Like by this method, we can solve many squares. Now let's see some more methods. So the second one is column method. Let's take an example of 24 where a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Now we need to make 3 columns. Column 1 will have a square, column 2 will have 2ab and column 3 will have b square. Now in column 1 we have 2 into 2 which is 4. In column 2 there will be 2 into 4 which will be 16. And in column 3 there will be 4 into 4 which will also be 16. Now we will take or underline the unit digit of column 3 which is 6 and add the tens digit with the product of column 2 which is 16 plus 1 17. Now we will underline the unit digit and carry and add the tens digit in the product of column 1. Now we will which will be 4 plus 1 5. Now we will take all the numbers all the unit digits which are 5 7 and which will be 5, 7 and 6. So our answer will be 576 which is the square of 24. Now let's see another method which is diagonal method. So here I also take the same example which is 24. Now 24 has 2 digits 2 and 4. So we will make a 2 by 2 square and make diagonals like this. Now we will multiply 2 into 2 which is 4. So we will add 0 and 4. Then 2 into 4 is 8. So we will add 0, 8. Then 2 into 4 is 8. So we will add 0, 8. And 4 into 4 is 16. So we will add 1 and 6. Now we will take the number in this diagonal which is 6. And it is a unit digit, so we will underline it. Now we will add the digits in this diagonal which are 8 plus 1 plus 8 which will be 17. Now we will underline the unit digit and carry the tens digit. Now we will add the digits in this diagonal which is 0 plus 4 plus 0 and the carry digit which will be 4 plus 1 5. And in the last diagonal we have 0. And then we get the number 576. So the square of 576 is 27. 20. The square root of 576 is 24. Thank you and have a nice day.
थैंक यू। अभी हमारी अगली प्रतिभागी हैं तस्लीमा। तस्लीमा,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा उसको ऑटो रोटेट करो अपने मोबाइल में, जो ऑटो रोटेट वाला बटन होता है ना उसको दबाओ।
Yes.
हाँ अभी ठीक है, अभी स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Christine. I study in class 8A. My 5-digit roll number is 8016. So my project name is algebraic formulas. So let me tell you a short definition of algebraic identity. Algebraic identity are the algebraic equations which are always true for every values of the variable. So in this, the algebraic identity, the LH is equals to RHS. So it is hard to remember all the algebraic formulas. So to make it easy, I have prepared this project. So by this project, we can easily get the formulas and it become easy to us and save the time. So if we are not remembering the formula of a plus b whole square, so first we have to simply rotate this and we get the answer. So a plus b whole square is equals to the a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this way, we have to, if you want to get the answer of this formula, we can get this answer. If we want to find the formula answer of this, we can rotate the wheel in this such way. So hope you like my project and it is helpful to you. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू, थैंक यू तस्लीमा। अभी हमारे जो 8th क्लास के अंतिम प्रतिभागी वो है आशीर्वाद। आशीर्वाद स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून बेटा, स्टार्ट करो।
My name is Ashirwad Behra of class 8B. Today I am going to present my maths project, and the title of my maths project is Day of Any Date. In this project, with 3 codes, I can find the day of any date. Let's take me a date. One. Then in the first box, the date will be right, and in the fourth box, the 21 will be written. In the second and third box, we have to write the code. 09 means September. September, that is 6. September code is 6. Then 20. This is century code, and 2000 to 2099 is 6. 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6, 20, 26, 20. Then we have to add the total. 6 plus 21. 7, 4. The answer is 40. For fifth box we have to divide 21 by 4. So 21 divided by 5. That is 72. Sorry, 50. Then we have to divide 52 by 7. 7 8 ja 56. 7 7 ja 49. 12. 3. And the remainder is 3. But another date, 18/08/2019. In the first box, we have to write the 18, and then the fourth box, we have to write 19. 08 means August, and the August month code is 3, and 20. And 20.
थैंक यू आशीर्वाद, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू आशीर्वाद। अभी लास्ट जो कैंडिडेट हैं वो है हमारे प्रतिभागी जो हैं वो है कृतिका। कृतिका,
यस मैम।
ओके बेटा स्टार्ट करो।
यस मैम। मैम एक्चुअली में ये पीपीटी में है तो मैम हमने दूसरे अकाउंट से लॉगिन किया तो मैम आप प्लीज अलाउ कर दो उसको।
मैडम मैं कब से बोल रही थी आपसे, आप ज्वाइन करो ज्वाइन करो। कहीं आई नहीं, रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं आ रही, कैसे रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं आ रही आपकी?
मैम एक सेकेंड। मैम स्वस्ति के नाम से
मैडम रिक्वेस्ट ही नहीं आ रही है।
मैम स्वस्ति मल्होत्रा के नाम से आ रही होगी अकाउंट से।
मैडम नहीं आ रही। कौन से उसमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं लोग, लिंक कौन से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं अभी चेक करो इधर। मैथ्स का लिंक ज्वाइन करो, मैथ्स का लिंक ज्वाइन करो मैम। बेटा
मैम कौन सा कैमरे से दिखा देते हैं?
कौन सा लिंक?
हाँ मैम कैमरे से दिखा देंगे, बस उसमें इतिका दिखेगा।
शुरू करो बेटा, शुरू करो।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है।
कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा।
हाँ मैम एक सेकंड।
ओके बेटा ओके।
यस मैम।
हाँ ओके बेटा स्टार्ट करो।
यस मैम।
ओके बेटा स्टार्ट।
Number is 70206. I am here to present you with my maths project, the detector. The aim of my project is to find day from any given date. So let's start the process. In the first step, we have to take the last digit of the year. For example, in 1900, we have to take 00. In 1945, we have to take 45. In 1999, we have to take 99. In the case of 2000, we have to take 00. In the next step, we have to divide the number by 4 and do not consider the remainder. For example, in 1993, we have to take 93. In 2004, we have to take 104. And first, 93 divided by 4 gives 23. And in 2004, 104 divided by 4 gives 26. So 26 is our number. In the next step, we have to take the month code. 2 for January, 5 for February, 5 for March, 1 for April, 3 for May, 6 for June, 1 for July, 4 for August, 7 for September, 2 for October, and 5 for November, and 7 for December. In the next step, we have to take the date as it is. For example, in 25th January, we have to, in 25th January 2015, we have to take 25. Now we have to add the digits. For example, 99 as the year, 24 as the year divided by 4, 7 as the month code, 15 as the date, and this one will be 145. Now we have to divide the number by 7. For example, in 145 divided by 7, we have to divide the 20 whole 5 by 7. So the remainder will be 5. Now we have to match the remainder by the days of the week. For example, we have to take 0 for Friday, 1 for Saturday, 2 for Sunday, 3 for Monday, 4 for Tuesday, 5 for Wednesday, 6 for Thursday. Ma'am, can I solve? Ma'am, can I solve one? Okay, ma'am, so please. Ma'am, so please give me the date.
बेटा टाइम हो गया है, अब करो जल्दी, जो भी करना है आपको।
26 as 250.
टाइम हो गया बेटा। ओके बेटा, इंतजार है।
And 30. Thank you, ma'am.
ओके, थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू। तो कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति के साथ ही मैं सभी बच्चों की सराहना करती हूँ कि उन्होंने बड़ी ही मेहनत से विषय को स्पष्ट करते हुए बहुत ही सुंदर प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं। साथ ही मैं हमारे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर कमलेश कुमार, उप प्राचार्य श्री एम विजय कुमार को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूंगी कि उनके उचित मार्गदर्शन से ही हमारा आज का कार्यक्रम जो है सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हो पाया है। मैं सभी शिक्षकों, ऑफिस स्टाफ, एमटीएस स्टाफ सभी को धन्यवाद कहना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि उनके सहयोग के बिना यह कार्यक्रम सफलतापूर्वक संभव हो ही नहीं सकता था। एक बार सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।